welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did these super easy jumbo singleese or jumbo rope twists. I did use the rubber band method, so that made it extra simple, extra easy. This is going to definitely be my go-to summer look, you know, whenever I'm feeling like I want to go to the beach or go to the pool or something like that, because my hair and humidity and beach weather just doesn't mix. So this will definitely be my go-to style for things like that. I did buy 7 packs of hair. One was the T1B/60, and that's this little white color right here. And then the other 6 packs was color number 4. I used this Easy Braid professional hair, and it already came like pre-stretched and all that, so it was very easy to use. And I got the color 4 just because my hair is nowhere near a 1B, so I needed to look, you know, more natural. I didn't want like no jet black hair at my brown roots. And as far as just smoothing my roots and smoothing my edges, I use this good old stuff right here made by Creme of Nature. It gives you great shine, it's very soft, and it smells very good, and it has argan oil in it. So that's why I like that. Overall, it did not take a long time at all. It was actually very quick. JaBria actually helped me out, so shout out to JaBria. Y'all make sure y'all follow her YouTube. I'm going to link her down below. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will definitely link all the products that I use, or list all the products that I use down below in the description box, so check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoy it. So of course I'm starting on stretched hair. I stretched my hair just by putting it in 2 low buns, and then now I'm just smoothing my roots so they can be all sleek. I'm going to link what I used to smooth my roots down below. Now I'm just going to take that section and section it in half. I'm going to go back and place that hair directly in the middle of that part. Directly in the middle, and I'm going to close that off, and I'm going to go back and rubber band it so it can be tight. And I tried to do it as tight as I could, but the rubber bands that I brought were like super duper cheap. They were like the rubber bands your mama bought you to play with on dolls, cheap. And then I got the clear ones. They was like, I don't know, they were horrible. They popped. They're still popping to this day. Now these little cheap rubber bands had plenty of stretch to them, believe it or not, before they popped out. I don't know what the problem was, but I'm doing it tight enough to where I know that the twist will be tight, but not too tight to like put strain on my hair or anything like that. But I am going to pull it to tighten it, just because I need it as close to my roots as possible. So to begin twisting the hair, I'm going to take my hair and split it into 2 pieces. That way I can match it up with the cankalon hair. And then I'm going to start twisting the hair, and I'm going to twist both separate pieces in the same direction. If for some reason you can't see it well in this clip, I did include me doing another twist, so I'm going to show it to you guys twice. But in the other clip, it's a little bit sped up, so you know, feel free to go back and forth between them. This is me just putting some of that Creme of Nature styling gel onto my hair. That way my hair can be smooth and shiny, and it can blend very well with this cankalon hair. And then this is where I'm going to begin twisting. Pay attention to which way you're twisting your hair. That way you can make sure you twist both pieces in the same direction. They have to be going in the same direction. If you twist them in the opposite direction, you're just going to be making like a fat bubble twist, like a giant finger coil. It's not going to look good. It's not going to look complete. It's not going to be together. But it took some time for me to figure out how to hold both of these. But you'll see that once I start twisting my hair, I'm going to continue to twist as I move down the strand. So twist and twist. So I'm just twisting while I'm moving down the strand, and of course when I start feeling like I need a little bit more extra hold, I'm going to add some more of that gel. I'm also going to comb my hair out. I want to make sure that my hair is as smooth as possible, because I am natural, and between my hair, humidity, water, anything that hits it is going to make it frizz up. Even just being on my clothes, it's going to frizz up. So I'm trying to give it as much hold and get it as tight as possible. So yeah, I did this around my whole head. I did each twist the same exact way. It was pretty simple. JaBria actually helped me do the back. Shout out to her. And then once I finished, all I did was dip them regularly like you would do box braids. I just dipped them in some hot water and trim the ends a little bit, but just keep on watching. I'm going to show you guys again using a different section of hair, just in case you feel like you missed anything when I did it this time.